In this problem, you have to find the value of x when 2 to power x multiplies 6 to power x square is equals to 3. To solve this, first take log on both sides. As you must know, log of a multiply b is equals to log a plus log b. So this simplifies to log 2 to power x plus log 6 power x square equals to log of 3. Transfer it this side. So this is log 2 to power x plus log 6 power x square minus log 3 equals to 0. As you must know that log e to power b is equals to b log a. So this equation can be simplified to x log 2 plus x square log 6 minus log 3 equals to 0. Rearrange this. X square log 6 plus x log 2 minus log 3 equals to 0. Now, this equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a equals to log 6, b equals to log 2, and c equals to minus log 3. So first, we will calculate the delta for this equation, that is equals to b square minus 4 ac, which will be equals to b is log 2 square minus 4 multiply a is log of 6 multiply c is minus log of 3, which is equals to log 2 square minus plus 4 log 6 multiply log 3, which is equals to log 2 square plus 4 multiply log 3 multiply log 6 can be written as log 2 plus log of 3. So this simplifies to delta is equals to log 2 square plus 4 multiply log 3 square plus 4 of log 3 multiply log 2. So this equation can be simplified to delta equals to log 2 plus 2 of log 3 whole square. Now we have to find the value of x, which will be equals to minus b plus minus square root of delta divided by 2a. So the value of x will be equals to minus b is minus log of 2 plus minus square root of delta. Square root of delta will be log 2 plus 2 log 3 log 2 plus 2 log of 3 divided by 2 multiply a is log 6. So we get two values of x. First is minus log 2 plus log 2 plus 2 log 3 divided by 2 of log 6. And the second value is minus log 2 minus log 2 minus 2 log 3 divided by 2 log 6. So this will be equals to log 2 minus log 2 is cancelled. So 2 by 2 is cancelled is equals to log 3 divided by log 6. And this will be equals to minus 2 bracket log 2 plus log 3 divided by 2 multiply log 6 is also equals to log 2 plus log 3. So from here we got x equals to minus 1. So we got two value of x. First is log 3 divided by log 6 and second is minus 1.